When it comes to drop shipping, it's important to understand that speed is really quintessential. I mean, it doesn't matter if your supplier is kind of has a good quality, like good quality products, but if they're really slow, you're gonna lose customers. So, into this conversation, I want to share with you the 15 best drop shipping suppliers with fast shipping. Fast shipping, okay? I mean, Amazon has actually a custom consumers nowadays to a 2-day shipping. So you want to make sure that your supplier is very fast too. So the first supplier that I want you to keep in mind is Zendrop. So Zendrop is actually your ideal drop shipping partner when it comes to speed, when it comes to quality, when it comes to reliability. Okay, and the cool thing about Zendrop is that they have warehouses across the U.S. and abroad. Okay, and so basically having this sort of variety of warehouses is going to ensure you fast shipment. Okay, so you can source actually trending products at reasonable prices and sell them at high margins through Zendrop. They also offer a world-class 24/7 support via live chat and an intuitive platform that you can easily understand. So there is no phone, there's no let's say 24/7 phone support, but they do have the live chat. So they also have a chat bot, an AI powered chat bot that you can actually talk to on their website. So Zendrop, number one. Number two, AutoDS. So if you're looking for the top drop shipping suppliers with fast shipping, AutoDS is kind of cool too. I mean, AutoDS, the cool thing about AutoDS is that the company has a robust logistics network, and basically when it comes to AutoDS, I mean, it's already in the name. Here is a company that leans heavily on automation, including ready-made stores and automated order fulfillment. So as a user, you get access to suppliers with warehouses across the U.S., U.K., China, and Australia. Four. I mean, those are the four top markets. But they also have let's say some warehouses in the EU, also, so it's in the European Union. Okay, and you can find millions of products via AutoDS, from electronics to clothing, jewelry, and stationery. So this is kind of cool. You have flexibility, you have reliability, and most importantly, you have also speed. Okay, so that's really good. If you're looking for the top dropshipping suppliers with fast shipping, I want you to think about CJ Dropshipping this year. And CJ Dropshipping, the cool thing about CJ Dropshipping is that they have millions of products, of course, but they also offer speed. Okay, and CJ Dropshipping gives you access to high quality products directly from manufacturers. So there is no middleman, directly from manufacturers. And here is a company, a platform that has warehouses in the US, China, Germany, Thailand, and several other countries. And customers receive orders from the warehouse closest to them to enable swift delivery. So what happens here is if you have if you have customers in the US, if you have customers in New York, for instance, CJ Dropshipping is going to ship products from any warehouse that is actually in the tri-state area on the East Coast. Okay, and this platform works directly with factories to source high quality products, and suppliers are well vetted to ensure consistent quality. So that's really good. And what I love about the CJ Dropshipping also is that you can easily find trending products and apply custom packaging to differentiate your brand. So you're always in control when it comes to differentiating your brand. You're always in control. Another top dropshipping supplier with fast shipping is AliExpress. So the AliExpress dropshipping center. Okay, and the cool thing about AliExpress is that you have a globally leading e-commerce marketplace. Okay, but it has a dropshipping center that links you to high quality suppliers across different niches. What you want to do is you want to identify the specifics for your niche. Okay, you can actually find everything from clothing to electronics, cosmetics, home appliances, office supplies, and more. And by the way, AliExpress is linked to Alibaba, so this tells you a lot about quality. It tells you a lot about speed. It tells a lot about variety when it comes to the product that you can source through AliExpress. Okay, And AliExpress also offers express delivery for US based customers, and it works with dozens of US based fulfillment centers to provide this service. So if your customer base is concentrated in the US, Canada, Mexico, and other North American countries, like North American countries, or even let's say localities, AliExpress remains a great choice for you this year. If you're looking for a dropshipping suppliers with fast shipping, I want you to think about Spocket. And Spocket has been around for a while now, and that's what I love. I love the fact that this is you have a company that has a proven track record, okay, and this platform gives you access to the best dropshipping suppliers with fast shipping. And Spocket actually has a network that is mainly concentrated in the US and EU countries, making it perfect for your customer base if they live in those regions, okay? And what I love about Spocket is that you have product quality, you have automation, you also have a vast network of warehouses across the US and Europe, okay? So that's kind of cool because it makes the products delivered directly to customers within a few days. And Sprockets also is pretty good because it really integrates directly with Shopify, Wix, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and many other e-commerce platforms. So in terms of reliability, you can be sure you have a good platform. Next, you have Salehu. So if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier with fast shipping, think about Salehu. And the cool thing about Salehu is that you have one of the OGs when it comes to directory, supplier directory, okay? And Salehu actually has vetted high quality suppliers. You can search for any products and find the best suppliers on Salehu's network. The cool thing is that you are able to, you have a platform that works with suppliers with warehouses close to your customer base, okay? And Salehu handles the logistical aspect of your dropshipping store while you focus on design, marketing, pricing, and other crucial work, okay? And Salehu frequently curates the top selling items across several niches, eliminating the stress of seeking those items yourself. So you are in good hands. Think of it that way. I want you to think about Printful. If you're looking for a dropshipping supplier with fast shipping, think about Printful this year. What I love about Printful is that you don't have the traditional dropshipping model. You have a print-on-demand model, a POD model, okay? So Printful remains one of the major print-on-demand suppliers for dropshipping businesses. Print-on-demand involves creating custom merchandise that will be printed only after a customer places an order. So that means what? It means that you are actually reducing the risk of lost inventory, okay? You're not storing anything at all. You only actually print stuff once the order has been placed. So Printful has fulfillment centers in the US, UK, Canada, Mexico, and Latvia. The cool thing is that here is a company that actually merged recently with Printify, another top print-on-demand supplier in this industry. So that makes it a very giant when it comes to print-on-demand. And so basically, Printful has a distributed fulfillment network that allows it to offer fast shipping to customers in North America and Europe. And so that's really good. You also have Wayfair. So if you're looking for a drop shipping supplier with fast shipping, think about Wayfair. I mean, nobody hears about Wayfair that much, but they're a biggie, okay? So Wayfair remains one of the biggest online furniture and home decor retailers with fulfillment centers across the US, Germany, and the UK, okay? And the cool thing is that it offers a partner program that lets third parties list its products, and Wayfair handles quick delivery. So that's your definition of dropshipping if you think about it, okay? And Wayfair has a massive fulfillment network, okay? And so this is really good. And what I love about the Wayfair is that they are very renowned for excellent product quality and variety. And also, Wayfair allows you to build a loyal customer base and also make sure that customer base remains with your dropshipping business for a long time. So This is pretty good. In terms of scalability, this is really good. In terms of high quality, this is really good. And most importantly, in terms of affordability, you can really count on Wayfair too. Because again, they handle everything. They handle everything, and they only come into action after the order has been placed. That's the whole thing about drop shipping, right? You're not really you're not fronting anything, any cash. So this is kind of cool. If you're looking for a top drop shipping supplier with fast shipping, I want you to think about eProlo this year. What I love about eProlo is that you have a drop shipping partner that has a different, I would say, angle when it comes to a drop shipping in general. Okay, because eProlo is a free platform for finding reliable drop shipping suppliers. Okay, so this is kind of cool, and what it does is that it connects you rather to a robust network of suppliers for clothing, electronics, books, home decor, and many other niches. So, but what I love is that it's free. So it's free. So you are able to start. All you have to invest is your time, is your research. Okay, and eProlo has warehouses in the U.S., UK, and China. And so those three top geographies allow you to have quick deliveries if you think about it. And eProlo, when it comes to drop shipping, you have a variety of uses. Okay, basically, eProlo allows you to source trending, high quality products for your drop shipping store. And eProlo also does more than drop shipping. It offers also print on demand services with a global network of fulfillment partners to enable speedy shipments. So this is kind of cool. And orders are processed and sent automatically to the relevant fulfillment centers. So, but eProlo is, when it comes to print on demand, eProlo is not as good as Printify or Printful. But at least it's just good to know that eProlo has many angles to its business model. Next, I want you to think about Brand's Gateway. So if you're looking for a wonderful drop shipping supplier with fast shipping, with speedy shipping, Brand's Gateway can really help you too. Now, the thing is that Brand's Gateway has two business models. They have the drop shipping business model and they have the wholesale business model. So you have to choose which one you want to really you want to connect to. Okay, but Brand's Gateway links you to high quality suppliers of branded clothing. So you're talking about clothing primarily, and you can source premium clothing items in bulk and sell them at high margins. So you have like high margins, you're looking at 20 to 80%. So this is really good. And so basically, Brand's Gateway offers global shipping via DHL. Okay, and this is kind of cool. And so here is a platform also that has direct integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, and Shift for Shop. So you have a lot of flexibility. Think about it that way. If you're looking for a top dropshipping supplier with fast shipping, I want you to think about Sunrise Wholesale. What I love about Sunrise Wholesale is that you have a platform that gives you flexibility, but also scalability. Okay, so here is a platform that offers a wholesale dropshipping services in many niches, including clothing, fitness equipment, electronics, and jewelry. But the thing about Sunrise is that it allows you to go a little further, to actually go as granular as possible. Okay, for instance, the platform offers products from top brands and quick shipping. Okay, powered by a global network of fulfillment centers. So this is kind of cool. And if your customers are located in the right geographies, through Sunrise, you're able to even have same day or 2 day shipping. This is really good. And the platform also integrates directly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, among others. Okay, this is kind of cool. And so if you use any of this e-commerce platforms, you can import products at the click of a button. So what happens here is that you're able to integrate your store directly. You're able to integrate your store directly through Sunrise. You have also Mega Goods. So if you're looking for a wonderful drop shipping supplier with fast shipping think about Mega Goods, and Mega Goods remains a leading distributor for various product niches, including gaming accessories, sound equipment, kitchenware, and kitchenware and electronics. Okay, so this is kind of cool. But if you want to go with Mega Goods and you want to do drop shipping, just focus primarily on consumer electronics. I mean, it does everything, but consumer electronics is where its forte really is. Okay, and you can obtain high quality consumer electronics products from Mega Goods and sell them at sizable margins. And Mega Goods actually has warehouses across the U.S. to facilitate fast delivery. So this is kind of cool. So think about Mega Goods as an ideal option for dropshipping brands if your customers are concentrated actually in the US. If you're looking for a top dropshipping supplier with fast shipping, I want you to think also about Pet Stores USA. As the name implies, you're talking here about pets, okay? So basically, you have pet products, and so if you go through a Pet Stores USA, you have a wholesale pet food, toys, and accessories. And so its warehouses is, its warehouse is based in Cincinnati, Ohio, but it ships products across the U.S. Okay, and what I love about Pet Store USA is that they have high quality products. Okay, so if you're trying to build a successful pet supplies dropshipping business, basically go with Pet Stores USA, especially if you want to focus on U.S. based. You want to focus on U.S. based customers. You also have Selvia. So if you're looking for a fast shipping drop shipping supplier, think about Selvia. And Selvia offers a diverse range of drop shipping products. The cool thing about Selvia is that you have an Amazon-like sort of store platform. Okay, so this is kind of cool. And Selvia has direct integration with WooCommerce and offers pre-built online stores for dropshippers. So this pre-built online store thing is really good because it means that you don't have to pay a third-party programmer to really do the store for you. It's done already, okay? And the platform has warehouses across the globe so that you can have quick shipments. And so when I say quick shipments, I'm talking about 2 days to 2 to 5 days. Okay, so that's really good. 2 to 5 days, regardless. 2 to 5 days shipment and delivery, regardless of where your customers are located. The last dropshipping company I want to share with you is Richard Cannon Wholesale. Wonderful company. And so this company specializes in jewelry products. So jewelry, as you know, is a high margin product. So you can sell this supplier's products at considerable markups. And this is kind of cool because of the flexibility. And this supplier has the fulfillment partners across North America, Asia, Europe, and beyond. So you have, you're in good hands, okay? So your customers can receive orders within 1 or 2 days. Think about it, 2 days, okay? And this is actually a pretty good turnaround time. And you can easily import Richard Cannon's product into your store, and orders are fulfilled automatically. So from a scalability point of view, a fantastic partner. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about the top dropshipping suppliers with fast shipping. So we went from Zendrop all the way to Richard Cannon Wholesale. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.